How to change avatar in Body application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're looking for a way to change your avatar in the Body app, first of all, launch open the Body application on your device and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're logged in, go to the bottom right corner and tap the Tools option. Inside Tools, tap on your current profile picture at the top, and then you'll be able to see these several menus on the screen. Select your gender first from the top and then choose your avatar. You can also go ahead and choose from the skin color tone option for your avatar. After making a selection, you'll be able to notice your avatar is now changed. So that is how you can do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.